Oh, well, hello there, friends and family. I see you snuck back into the little old country kitchen. And you caught the old man getting something prepared. Yeah, you sort of caught me in the beginning stages. And you might wonder what it is. Well, what we have here is we got our little oven for our toaster oven tray right here. And we've got some split Bryan Cajun style smoked sausages. Split in half. Well, surely we do. And we've got 1/2 of a yellow onion, sliced up about 1/4 inch slices, and all the rings separated right there in the middle. We got some hot dog buns over there. And of course, some garlic salt and some pepper. Yep. So you might be asking yourself, what's the old man up to? Well, I'm going to show you one of the most convenient ways, no fuss, no muss ways to cook you up some quick and fast smoked sausages. And they don't have to be Bryan Cajun style smoked sausages. They could be Hillshire, hickory smoked, whatever you want. You can even do this with Italian sausages. Yeah, bratwurst, or even kielbasa, whatever trips your tractor. But yeah, I'm going to season up my onions there. That's what I got the garlic salt and the onion for, or pepper, excuse me. And what we're going to do is we're going to place them in that hot dog buns, put on some of the roasted onions with our favorite condiments, whatever you might like. So yeah, let's get these onions seasoned up, and we'll take them on over to the toaster oven and show you just how easy it all is to oven, bake, or roast your smoked sausages and onions for a tasty smoked sausage dog. Okay? So just to add a little more flavor, we're going to be adding some garlic salt. Ooh, that's going to bring out the flavor of these onions. Lost the lid there. Hold on. That would have been a tragedy. We're just going to sprinkle some of that on there rather liberally. Can't have enough garlic. And that. And we're going to finish it up with some pure ground black pepper. If you want to grind your own fresh, you can do that too. And just for kicks and giggles, we'll give each sausage a little. I like my black pepper. If you don't do it. And that's all there is to it. No, let's get some up there. I can smell that garlic. Now, let's get them into the toaster oven. And I'll tell you what we got and how we got it set up. Okay? So, we got our sausage and onions right there on our baking tray. And we're at the toaster oven. It's all nice and hot. Let's see, we got it set. Oh, it won't let me tell you. Or show you anyway. But it's preheated now, and it's set at 425. So let's get those on in there, okay? Hold on. Ooh, watch out. This oven's hot. We're going to slide them on in there. Just like that. That easy. And we're going to set a timer for 15 minutes. At which time we're going to come back and we'll be flipping them sausages. Okay? I'll show you where we're at when we're there. Oh, well, there you are, friends and family. Timer's going off. Yep. Let me grab those sausages out of the oven, because it's time to turn them, okay? Ooh, they smell good. And they're starting to look good. Can you see those? I surely hope you can. Onions are starting to get browned. We're just going to flip these sausages, because see, they're browning a little bit on the back side. And you want to do this rather quickly so you don't lose your heat. And if they don't get brown enough for you, do them a little bit longer. A little bit of browning adds so much flavor. And something else I'll say is, you don't got to split them. You could throw them on here whole. But you may have to increase the time. Reason being is you want to make sure you get these up to 160 internal temperature. And I found that by splitting them, that happens a lot quicker. And then I just like them split. Ooh, you can get some of that good sausage juice goodness in with those onions. You see that? Look at that. Ooh, we'll mop that around a little bit. And now all we're going to do is we'll place them back in the toaster oven for another 15 minutes. Simple. And then we'll take a look at them. If they're not browned enough, we'll throw them back in for a little longer. Okay? Well, the timer's going back off again. Let's stop that. It's annoying. Let me get them. Ooh, yeah. They're looking fine now. Look what we got there. Can y'all see those? They're browned exactly the way I want them. Yeah, now we got, just classic hot dog bun from the fine folks at Wonder. And we're going to get it all made up the way we like it. And like I say, this is 15 minutes on the side in a 425 degree toaster oven, which saves me from heating up that big massive onion, saves me money on my energy costs, because the toaster oven cooks way more efficiently for far less than that massive onion over there. Got all my onions toasted on up, looking fine, lightly browned. Yeah. So let's put it together and see what it tastes like. Okay? So yeah, I like to cut mine in half. Yep, sides nice and brown too. Plop it on in there. Get the other half. Plop on in there. Woo, looking good. We're going to just take some of those onions, put right there on top. Uh-oh, I'm trying to get away from it. Make sure we get enough in there. Yep. Onions got a nice flavor, they do. Ooh, we better get this mustard shook up. Tried to jump out on me. It's a brand new one. We forgot to shake. And this is just yellow mustard. If you got some of that there fancy spicy brown mustard, or German spicy brown, coarse ground, oh, it's all the more better. And there we have it, the way I like them. Now all we got to do is do a taste test. Oh, pardon my appearance. Been out in the property, getting things straight, weeding some garden beds, picking up the yard. Got to get things going on. So you catch me the way I am when y'all show up. But let's give it a little bite and see if it's everything we wanted it to be. Okay? I'm sure I look a mess. Pardon me for eating in front of you too. Yep. Perfect. Crunchy, crispy. That casing. It's got the crunch to it. The onions even still got a little bit of bite to them. That's the way I love them. But hopefully, next time you're wanting some smoked sausage quilt, you'll think about doing them in your toaster oven too. That's pretty darn good. Yep. Oh. It's getting late and I'm hungry. So hey, until the Kitty Crew, we all see you on that next video. Y'all take care. Stay safe out there. May God bless you as you bless those in your lives. Bye for now. Woo. I'm loving it. No mess either. Very little cleanup. Whew. Bachelor can't ask for any more than that. Oh, later all.